Hello everyone, welcome back once again, and now we're going to learn how you will sign up in Amazon Associates. So if you plan to start affiliate marketing, in that case you have to choose a reputed website for affiliate marketing, and I will suggest you to have an account in Amazon Associates because nowadays Amazon are one of the most popular website all over the world, and for affiliate marketing you can consider this Amazon Associates. And for signing up you have to browse this URL, that is affiliate-program.amazon.com. or if you're unable to find this URL, in that case you can just go to Google and you just need to type Amazon Associates. Then you will have the link at top. Then you just have to click in this amazon.com associates central. Then it will take you in this page, and this is the main page for Amazon affiliate program, and the URL for Amazon affiliate program is affiliateprogram.amazon.com. okay, now we have to sign up in here, and for sign up you just have to click in this sign up button. Here is the yellow sign up button. Let me click in here, and once you will click and sign up, it will take you in this page, and you can see that for first tab it's showing the sign in option. So if you already have an existing account in Amazon Associates, in that case you have to put your email or phone number in here, and here is the field for password. But we're not going to use this field because we don't have any Amazon Associates account, and we are going to create from the beginning. And for creating an account, you just have to click in this create your Amazon account. So let me click in this create your Amazon account, and then you will have some field. At first you have to type your name. So as an example, let me type a name. Then you have to put the email address. So let me put an email address in here, and then you have to choose a password. So let me type a password. Okay, then again you have to re-enter your password. Okay, so once you have written your name, email address and password twice, then you just have to hit the create your Amazon account button. So let me click on this create your Amazon account button. Okay, now it's asking for solving the puzzle, and in here it's showing pick the dolphin. So in between the 6 images you have to pick in which image contain dolphins. So here is the dolphins. Okay, it's asking me for the second captcha, pick the dolphin. So in between this 6 image where the dolphin contains, this image contains. Okay, again I have to pick the dolphin. Here is a dolphin. Here is another. Here is another. Okay, my verification is complete. I mean captcha verification. Then it will ask you for OTP, and the email address you placed, you will receive a code, and you have to place the code in here. So let me copy my code from my email address. You can see this is my OTP, and I need to copy this code, and then I have to paste it in my browser, especially in here. Okay, so let me paste my OTP which I just copied from my email, and once it's done you just have to click this verify button. Okay, now you have to add a mobile number, and which country you belongs to, you have to set the country. So as I'm living in Bangladesh, let me pick the Bangladesh from here, and then I have to pick a phone number. So as a phone number, let me type my phone number in here. Okay, then you have to click this add mobile number. So let me click add mobile number. Then it will ask you for another OTP. So you just have to copy the code from your phone number, which you will receive on your provided phone number. Then you have to paste the OTP in here. So let me paste my OTP in here from my phone number. Okay, so I received a code and let me paste it in here. And once you paste your code, you just have to click in this create your Amazon account. Okay, here we go. So our first part is done, and now we have to type our account information. So at first you have to type the name of pay. That means your pay name you have to put in here. So let me type the pay name. Then you have to type the address. Let me type the address in here. Okay, then you have to type the phone number. So at first you must have to ensure that your country code. So this is my country code, and once I will select the country code, then I have to put my phone number. So please remember one thing. Once you will complete the placing or choosing your country, then you have to go for the country code of your phone number. Here is my country code. Let me type my phone number in here. Okay, then you have to select these things, that is who is the main contact for this account, and you have to click on this the pay listed above, and then you have to click the next button. Okay, then you have to add a website for applying your Amazon Associates account. So if you have any affiliate account, in that case you have to add that account in here. So for adding, you just have to click this add button, or you just have to type the address in here, then you have to click the add button. So you have to describe in two parts. That is, if you plan to go with the mobile app, in that case you have to type the mobile app URL in here, and if you consider the web address, you have to type in here. So I already have a website, that's why I am using this one. Let me type my address, https://dealscrack.com. okay, dealscrack.com, this is my website, and now I'm going to click this add button, and you can take a look over here that dealscrack.com is added in here. So one thing I want to tell you, that before applying an account in Amazon Associates, you must have to prepare a website first. Once you will prepare the website, then you will be able to apply in here, because Amazon Affiliate Authority or Amazon Associates Authority will check your website. Once they will find the website is perfect and the website is suitable for Amazon affiliate, then they will approve your account. So I am requesting you to please prepare a website first, and you can go with the WordPress, and once you will have your website, and try to put at least 30 to 40 article in there, and once your website is fully operational, then you have to apply for the Amazon Associates account. So this website is fully functional, and this website have number of visitor, and this website already have number of traffics, so therefore I can use this one, dealscrack.com. So once it's done, you just have to click this next button. Once you will click next, it will take you in this page, and this is an important part. So you have to consider this line specially, and here is written, are any of the website or mobile apps listed above directed primarily at children under 13? So my my website, that dealscrack.com, this is not for under 13, so that's why I'm declaring it's for no. Okay, then you have to click the confirm button. Okay, now we have to create our profile, and at first what we have to do, we have to set the associate store ID. That is, what is your preferred associate store ID. So in here you can write any name. So as an example, let me type green grass BD. Okay, so this is this word or this name I want to use as my store ID. So here is the name, and here is the website list that I already added before. But if you want to add more, in that case you can add more website list in here. So the next part is, what are your website or mobile apps about? So in here, in this field, you have to declare about your website. So if your website is about technology, you can write here about some little description about the technology. Or if your website is associated with some kind of travel blog or some kind of kitchen niche, in that case you have to describe in here. So my website, this dealscrack.com, is about technical or tech blog. So let me write in here tech blog. Okay, then we have to move to our next part, that is, which of the following topics best describes your website or mobile apps. So in here you have to find the topic for primary and the secondary. For the primary, let me select some kind of technology. Let me select it from here because my website is about technology and it's under computer software and technology. So I'm selecting this computer software and technology. So you have to select in here that the primary topic that's are connected or associate or the relevant with this topic. So I'm selecting this computer software or technology, and then you can select a secondary topic. So if you want to select a secondary topic, you just have to click in this select secondary topic. Then you can find anything else about your secondary topic. Like I want to go for the social network side, because inside my tech blog there are a number of articles are available for a social networking site. So that's why I'm selecting this one. Okay, once you will select your secondary topic, then you have to select the item that you want to sell on your website. Okay, so in here you can take a look, what type of Amazon item do you intend to list on your website or mobile apps. So as my website is about electronic or tech, in that case I want to use this electronic, computer and office. So depend on your niche, you have to select the item list from here. So for primary, I just using this electronic and computer and office. Okay, then you have to click in this, what type are your website or mobile apps. So you have to select two type, primary and secondary. For primary, you have to go for the niche website, because my website is about content and niche website, and my dealscrack.com is totally about technology. So that's why it's called a niche. That's why I am using this content or a niche website. But if your website is about e-commerce or some kind of deals or a coupon related website, in that case you have to choose another. So for secondary, if you want to select the secondary, then you can click this secondary, and here is the result. Likewise, I was saying that deals website, shopping engine, that means e-commerce website or search. So basically my niche website is about search. That's why I'm using search. So depend on your website, you have to select the primary and the secondary type for your website. Okay, then we have to move to our next word, that is traffic and monetization. So in here it's asking that how do you drive traffic to your website. So what is your traffic source, you have to mention in here. If it is through the paid search or email or shopping portal, you have to select in here. So basically my website is about blogs and my website is in search engine optimization. That's why I'm using this SEO and blogs. That means I have article or blogs in my website and the traffics are come through the search engine optimization. Actually, these two things are really one of the best way for creating a niche website and generating sales for niche affiliate category. That's why I'm selecting this blog and SEO. Okay, then you have to go to your income generate part. That is, how do you utilize your website and apps to generate income? So here is the primary and secondary topic. So for primary, you have to select from here like commission junction or CZ or eBay affiliate program, other affiliate programs, display advertising, widgets, e-commerce, subscription service, or Amazon associate is the only way I monetized my site. Actually, this part is mentioning about, is there any way that you are earning from your website? So if you have Google AdSense, in that case you can use this display advertising, because if your website are earning from previous, in that case you have to mention these things in here. So my website is not earning any money right now, and therefore I am going to select this Amazon associate. Is the only way I monetize my site. So if you have Google AdSense enabled to your website, in that case you can you have to use this display advertising option. But as I don't have my Google AdSense or any other affiliate program in my website, that's why I am using this Amazon associates. So I'm selecting this one, and I'm not going to select any secondary option because I do not have any other earning source from my website. That's why I'm not selecting any option for the secondary. Okay, then it will ask you, how do you usually build links? So you have to select an option how you it's called the backlinking or link building. So you have to select from here. So I want to go for the CMS, content management system, how you build links, or you can use the HTML editor or manual via text editor. So depend on your website, you have to select the link building option from here. So I'm using a CMS, that means content management system. And then you have to select the number of visitor from here, that how many total unique visitor do your website and apps get per month. So you have to select it from here. So right now, as an example, right now I have around 5,000 to 50,000 visitor per month, and that's why I'm selecting this one. So if your website is totally new, or if you don't have more than 5,000 visitor, in that case you can select the first one. But my website right now I have some number of visitor, that's why I'm selecting this of 5,001 to 50,000 visitor. Okay, then what is your primary reason for joining the Amazon Associates program? You have to select it from here. Let me click this select button, and here is the primary option called the to monetize my site. Or if you have any other reason, you can click the other, then you have to type the reason in here. So I'm just using this to monetize my site. Okay, then it will ask you, how did you hear about us? So how you know about the Amazon associates, you have to mention in here. So let me click select, then I can go for the online search or word of mouth. So how you heard, you have to mention in here. So you can go for word of mouth or online search. Okay, now you have to type this CAPTCHA. So here is a CAPTCHA, and you have to type this CAPTCHA in this field. Let me click my mouse cursor in here, and let me type 5R7DDG. Okay, so once you will type the CAPTCHA in here, and then you have to agree to the terms and condition of the Amazon Associate program. So therefore you just have to click in this operating agreement option, then you have to click the finish button. Okay, my CAPTCHA is incorrect, so let me type once again 5ZYS2Z. Okay, so here is my confirmation message, that is congratulations, thank you for applying the Amazon Associates program. So here is my associate ID, this is my associate ID, and now you have to go for the place your payment and tax information. So you can add these things right now, or you can add this in later. So I'm going to click in later. Okay, here we go. You can take a look. This is my Amazon Associates dashboard, and here is my Amazon Associates dashboard, and here you can take a look. This is my earning overview. That means how many money I will earn, it will be available in here. And here is the product link, promotion tool, report help, and all the other information. And we are going to learn about all these things in our another lesson. But right now our account sign up process is complete. So let's jump to our next lesson.